Using the Mass Transit Railway (MTR) in Hong Kong is an efficient way to navigate the city. Here are some tips on how to use the MTR. 1. Planning your route. Before you start your journey, use the MTR's official website or mobile app to plan your route. The MTR system consists of multiple lines, so it's important to know which line you need to take and where you need to transfer. 2. Purchasing tickets. The ticketing system for the MTR is user-friendly. You can purchase single journey tickets or use an Octopus card, which is a rechargeable smart card that can be used on the MTR as well as other forms of public transportation and for making purchases at various retailers. The Octopus card offers convenience and savings, especially if you plan on using public transportation frequently during your time in Hong Kong. 3. Navigating stations. Once inside an MTR station, look for signs and maps to guide you to the correct platform. The stations are well marked in English, and staff members are usually available to provide assistance if needed. 4. Boarding the train. When the train arrives, wait for passengers to disembark before boarding. Be mindful of other passengers and offer your seat to those in need, as courtesy is valued on the MTR. 5. Exiting the MTR. Pay attention to station announcements and the digital displays inside of the train to know when your stop is approaching. When alighting, follow the signs to the station exit or transfer to another line if necessary. 6. Understanding etiquette. While using the MTR, it's important to observe certain etiquette. Avoid talking loudly, eating, or drinking inside the train, and be respectful of other passengers' personal space. 7. Accessibility. The MTR system has made efforts to be more accessible to people with disabilities. There are barrier-free facilities, such as elevators and tactile guide paths, in many stations. If you have specific accessibility needs, you can check the MTR website for detailed information on accessibility at each station. 8. Safety. The MTR places a strong emphasis on safety and security. Be mindful of any safety announcements and follow the rules and regulations set out by the MTR staff. 9. Tourist passes. If you plan to use the MTR frequently during your visit to Hong Kong, consider purchasing a tourist pass, such as the Airport Express Travel Pass, which offers unlimited rides on the Airport Express and 3 consecutive days of unlimited travel on the MTR.